y'all, and welcome back to Jemonica K. So in today's video, we are going to be cooking. I know a lot of you say you enjoy these types of videos, so I decided to put just a few of them together. Some of them you've already seen, but it's what I was cooking this week, so I decided to share them with you all. So I'm not going to continue talking. Let's get into this video.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved out. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see you're healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been there for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. virgin us. But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do.
So I know y'all are like, why did she show us these cookies? But I wanted to show these cookies because I know a lot of people, cookies don't come out right. But look at these. Look at these. So I baked my cookies at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And I know you're going to look at them and be like, they are not done. But you bake them on 350, take them out after 10 minutes and just leave them in the pan and they will finish baking in the pan. And there you have it. You have perfectly baked cookies. So try them. I'm telling you, they will come out perfect every time.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Oh, baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby?
I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.